You guys asked for it. Here it is, part 2. Travel compact items to save you space and pack smarter. First up is this mini compact Bluetooth speaker. It comes in a case, and this is the actual size of it. Y'all, I literally have taken this with me so many different places. Matter of fact, I was in the hospital when I delivered baby, playing music from this little guy. The nurses would walk in and be like, "Where's music coming from?" That little guy right there is very compact, literally. It can fit in your hand. It doesn't take up a lot of space. But if you want to be able to play music while you're out, maybe at the park, hanging out with friends, by the pool, wherever, this is something you can take with you, save you so much space. And here's a cool feature. It's waterproof too. So even if you want to take it in the shower with you and play your music from it, you can do that as well. Here's another one of my favorites, you guys. This is a 3-in-1 charger. Literally, it's a charger you can have in your car. And it has 3 different ports on here. You have a USB-C, an iPhone, and a mini USB port. These 3 ports on one cord save so much space. And also, if you have multiple different types of gadgets, I know we do a lot of times, it's great because you can at least just have one charging cable for different gadgets. The end of it is USB, so you can plug this into your car or into wall jacks as well. But it's adjustable, so you can literally pull off the USB and you get a USB-C port. So you know how some cars have the USB-C ports? I know our newer cars do. So this also gives you the adjustability of plugging into a USB-C adapter as well. I love the adjustability of this. I love that it saves so much space, and I can plug in several different types of devices. A lot of times, like we have kids' tablets and things like that too. And the tablets sometimes take a USB-C, sometimes they take a mini USB. So I love that this is a 3-in-1. Definitely worth grabbing and saving you some space. Now look at this little guy. This is a portable purifier, which can help keep the air around you clean. It helps with dust, pollen. Also, so if you are congested and things like that, this is great to have handy and travel with you, and you can stick it right in a cup holder. This collapsible laundry bag is a game changer. We always travel with this. It's so small. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but it's an easy way to keep your dirty clothes separate, and it's big enough to hold your entire family's clothes. This is it when it's folded up and zipped up, and then you can unzip it and it opens up into a huge laundry bag. So this is the laundry bag. And as you can see, it's actually quite a nice size. You can fit a lot of dirty clothes in here. We usually use it for our family dirty clothes. You can also use it for wet clothes if you want. If you're going to like a pool or a water park or something like that, you can keep your clothes separate. And then when you're done, it folds right back up and zips into itself. Okay, y'all, this little guy right here is a scrunchie, but it's a storage scrunchie. So this is a great way to store things while you're out and about and traveling and not have to worry about like having stuff in your hand. And it's actually hidden storage. The cool thing about it is that it has this little zipper pocket right here. So you can open this up and actually store things in it. Whether you want to store some money in here, some chapstick, whatever you need, if it's small, it can actually go in here and you can keep it with you while you're out and about, and you don't have to worry about like holding a purse. You can actually keep it on your arm, or you can tie it on your hair as well. If you guys are enjoying this video, do me a small favor. Tap that like button. It should light up like fireworks. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button too. Turn the notification bell on so you can get notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. Okay, a mini compact travel umbrella is a must. Something you can have with you in case it rains, but it's not huge and doesn't take up a lot of space. This is something you can stick right in your purse, in your pool bag, in your car, wherever you would like, and have with you just in case it's raining or decides to rain where you're at. You can have your umbrella, but it's very compact, very tiny. It does come in a bag, and this is the size of the umbrella. So very, very, very compact. And I can open this up so you guys can see it. As you can see, it's a full-size umbrella. An easy way to just have this and have it in your purse in case you're, traveling and you see it's getting cloudy. You can just throw this in your purse. A little mini umbrella to help you save space. Now, I love this little guy. I travel with it, but I also keep one at the house too because it's very handy. It's a travel curling iron pouch. So if you have a flat iron with you or a straightening comb or whatever you like to use, this can protect the heat. So you can put it in here even when it's hot, especially like days you're getting ready to check out, you do your hair. You can still take your flat iron and open the pouch and you can stick it right in there and it protects it. It is a heat protectant, so you don't have to worry about everything around your bag getting hot. So it's really great to have with you to keep your curling irons in, so you can go ahead and still pack even when your curling iron is hot. Just stick it in one of these and it'll protect it. Plus, it can protect your countertops too. You can lay this on the countertops and then flat iron on it so that you don't destroy countertops, because I've done that before. Lesson learned. keep your protector so that you can protect countertops, as well as you can put your flat irons inside of this and protect it as well. In case you need some towels while you're traveling and you want to take them with you, here are two alternatives to take with you. First up, we have the microfiber towels. These are just great to have if you're going to the pool, if you're going to be around water. Even if you have dogs that keep travel towels with us, because sometimes you just never know, and kids as well. These are great. This one is one of the larger ones. They have these in several different sizes. They all come in little packs, you know, to hold, to take with you if you're going to the pool, things like that. Microfibers are a great alternative. Now, if you want a disposable towel, maybe if you're going camping or somewhere, you know, it's going to be really filthy, really dirty, and you just want to be able to dispose of it, these little disposable towels can work great also as well. They're soft. We've used these before in rare occasions. Like I said, not all the time, but in some occasions, it's just best to just use a disposable towel and be done. And you just never know. You just never know. But I wanted to give you both alternatives. So we usually always have one of these though, for sure. But just in certain occasions, rare occasions, something, you know, super dirty, super filthy, and sometimes with kids or boo-boo and stuff like that, you may just want a disposable one. You can always do this one. If you want to be able to weigh your luggage before you get to the airport to make sure you're not overweight, you can grab these little luggage scales. I will link to both of these. They both have oil for me. You just literally hook your luggage up to it and you pick it up and it'll tell you how many pounds it weighs. That way you won't be surprised when you get to the airport and weigh your luggage. But they're small enough you can keep them packed with you in case you pick up souvenirs and things like that, and you know you want to make sure your luggage is still not overweight. Definitely great to have. I love this little travel razor. If you do want to make sure, you know, you're able to shave and remove hair and you don't want to take a lot of stuff, this is a mini compact razor. Comes in a little case and it's made by Venus. This is it, and it's so totally cute and such a great little space saver too. So if you want to take it in the case, you definitely can. If you want to stick this in your little makeup bag, you can also do that as well. But again, it doesn't take a lot of space, but you're still able to get a clean shave with this little guy. Super comfortable grip on here. Great to have though. Now, I'm a huge fan of sink sets. This is travel detergent packets, you guys. Literally, look how compact this is. If you got kids, if you got dogs, or if you just stay clumsy like me, you can always have you some to-go detergent with you, so you can always wash no matter where you're at. All you need is a sink and some water. So if you're in a hotel, you still can wash. You just open the packet up, pour this detergent into a sink of water. You're able to wash your clothes right then and there. It's just enough detergent to be able to wash your garments and clothes like that. Even underwear, I cannot tell y'all the countless amount of things sometimes you just need to wash while you're out traveling and you don't have access to a washing machine. So this is something you can take. This is for all fabrics, for all delicates. They come in a pack, so I will link these. But yeah, so good. Very compact, doesn't take a lot of space, but great for emergencies. All right, now let's talk about some travel mirrors. Yes, mirrors. I love to have a mirror, especially in the hotels, because y'all know hotel lighting can be very bad. Very bad when you're trying to do your makeup. These are two alternatives. This one right here is a folding one, and it's actually like nice and slim, and you can open this up and it can set up. You can have it sitting up wherever you want to sit it up in the room. I actually used this for an entire year when we first moved into this house because I didn't have any mirrors in my master's bathroom. But I love it. It's rechargeable. It has different lights on here. You have a warm light and a cool light. So it gives you that extra lighting that you need, which helps you to, again, do your makeup and things like that. It's rechargeable. There's a little plug here. You would charge it for the light. But this is a nice mirror that you can have to travel with. And like I said, it's compact, it's slim, so it lays really flat. Now, if you want one even smaller, maybe you want it in your purse, this is another alternative that also has a light on it. And when you open it up, it is a two-sided mirror. You have a close-up and a regular mirror. And on the regular side, you have a little light. You can turn it on and off. This is great to have, again, to travel with too. You can keep it in your purse, in your luggage, in your makeup bag, wherever you need a mirror and that extra light as well too. And a compact travel blanket is something that we love to keep with us and have with us. And if you stay cold, like me, you might want these. This is cool because it can become a pillow. Like if you're on a road trip and you need a pillow, or if you're in an airplane, you want to be able to, sleep comfortably. It can definitely be a pillow. It has little holders on the back too that you can hook it on things. Also has a little hook here too for hanging, and a little carrying handle also. In addition, a little pocket on the side too that you can stick things in as well. So this is a great all-in-one travel pillow, travel blanket. And then when you open it up, it becomes a nice size big blanket. I have literally taken this with me so many times, even the hospital room for delivering baby where you stay cold. My kids love the blankets too. Oh my God, they just love blankets. So it's always great to have one of these because it's soft, it's comfortable, and it's warm. Comes in a lot of colors too. I have a few of them. I will link the ones that I have. You guys can definitely grab you one of these as well. Another great travel compact item to take with you are inflatable travel beds. If you do have kids that are traveling with you and maybe you don't want to have to get like multiple rooms, if you want everybody in one room, you can get these travel beds that you can take with you to blow up for them to sleep on. So great if you're going to like family or friends' homes as well too, and they don't have extra beds, you can always just take your inflatable beds. That way, the kids have somewhere to sleep. I really do like because they have little rails kind of on the outside, you know, so if you have like little small ones or ones that roll over all the time, you don't want them like falling on the floor. I do like that this one is kind of like a sunk in type of bed with an edge on it because I got some wild sleepers. I will also link the air pump that we use for pumping them up as well too, because you can always take that with you and travel with it to blow up beds, as well as like swimming gear and swimming accessories. Here's another very compact item that you can take, and that is a travel phone charger. This one is literally about the size of a lipstick. And it's very small, but it also has the jack on here. They come in both the iPhone and the USB-C ports. So great for your Samsungs, your iPhones, any of those. I do have several of these. You can throw these in your purse, in your beach bag, wherever you're going. So you can always be able to charge your phone in case your phone decides to die. But very small, very compact, great to have. There you go, you guys. If you missed part 1, make sure to go watch that because I loaded that with even more compact travel items to take with you. Remember, these videos were for compact travel, specifically for saving space. But if you want to know my ultimate travel items, things I have with me, space saving or not, but that's just great to have, especially as a mom, let me know. Drop me a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video.